Hey guys, welcome back to the Gypsy Moon Child, and this is going to be the monthly reading for June 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Gemini. So take only what resonates and leave the rest. Remember, time is fluid and energies and roles can be reversible or vice versa. If this reading doesn't resonate at all, you can check your moon, rising, or Venus signs, or readings by other readers as well. If you want to book a personal reading with me, check the description box below. You can directly book it from my website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's see what do we get for Gemini. Okay, we got one card. The world card here just signifies that you are probably wrapping up a lot of cycles. Some of you might be planning to travel somewhere after the situation gets easier, but some of the cycles are being wrapped up right now. Some huge karmic cycles are being wrapped up right now, and this is really going to be a very fresh kind of a start. So you'll be like really enjoying it, that you've been waiting for this cycle to wrap up from a long time now, and time has come for that. So yeah, that could be the case for some of you guys, and just something is getting complete. I feel something is getting closure and is making you run like a free bird now. The Chariot, okay, he could be dealing with a Cancer, but with the Chariot next to the World card, I feel that it is somewhere telling me that after the cycle wraps up, after getting closure, it's going to be a good time for you, as you might be going forward, going in a direction where you're supposed to, and you're just gonna work on your things moving forward and achieving success in everything you touch. So it's kind of a huge thing for you with the World and the Chariot both together. It's like a major change that is coming up, and the change will be for the better. The change will be for your success. So it's good. You'll be able to manage everything in your life. You'll be able to balance everything in your life. Trust me, it's really gonna be good for you guys. The Four of Swords, the next card. There is definitely going to be a period of a setback in your life initially, I feel, and when you start to wrap up this cycle, you could be cutting off from a lot of people and taking some time out for yourself. And even when the time for success comes, do not just stay there, do not just keep lying there, do not just make things happen, and also just try to make a balance. As I was saying, you have to balance it all out. Even if you're working, take out time for yourself, take time to breathe out, take time for yourself. And also, as I said, this cycle will wrap up, and it could mean a disconnect with someone, or it could just be that you start to focus on your career, on yourself, and that might lead you to disconnect from a lot of people as well. But just remember, take out time for yourself. And if some of you guys might be having fears as well around this thing, that how is this going to happen, how is everything going to work out in your life, but how is everything going to just solve itself, because there are a lot of fears in your own head. So just make sure to give those fears a rest and start working on yourself now. The cycle will wrap up and you will definitely go ahead in your life. So next is Four of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Four of Pentacles. 4 is a big number for you, so probably in the next 4 weeks or the next 4 months. Anyway, it's going to be Gemini season now, so your season is here, and it's going to play a huge role. So it's your time to shine. But if within 4 weeks or 4 months something huge is going to happen, I feel. With whatever the cycle that is wrapping up has made you feel like you're someone with a closed heart. Probably you're someone with like someone who doesn't open up easily, someone who's guarded probably. So you're trying to just stay focused on yourself while keeping your heart closed, keeping everything around you closed, and not letting anyone come in your life. But that's not how it works. You really gotta take a break from this and start to open up yourself to receive blessings. Okay. For some of you guys, I feel the next 4 weeks or 4 months are going to be a little difficult when it comes to finances, because it's going to be tight. So just do not spend much, try to save more. Okay. Also, for some of you guys, I feel there's another story here where someone might have been disconnected from you. They might have closed their heart to you, but now they are going to open up, and they're going to come towards you, because they had some cycles to wrap up as well, and now they're coming towards you. 9 of Cups, the next card. uh, Again, some wish fulfillment is happening for you guys now. the I told you, you've been wishing for this cycle to get over, whatever this cycle is. So that is going to happen, and that is going to be a wish fulfillment for you. Some of you guys might get an offer that you were expecting, be it in terms of career or your love life, and that will set the first gear of first gear in the direction of moving on. Okay, with the Chariot here. So it's going to be just all success for you now after this whole cycle is over. But remember to take breaks, remember to take out time for yourself, remember to take time for your own healing as well. Let's see what else do we get for Geminis. 3 of Wands, amazing. So you are going to just you're going to move on, as I said, but it will be for the good. So it will be like you're just waiting for something to happen right now, but also once you move on, there'll be nothing to look back at. You won't actually look back at ever. So your time has come, and your time is here now. You're just waiting for the right moment, you're just waiting for the right thing to happen, like some ships to arrive. But and that's when you will be moving on, and you'll never look back. So with this wish fulfillment cycle wrapping up, you're just setting the tone of your life for the next few years. So I'm gonna pull out some cards from Romance Angels for you guys. Let's see what does come up for your love life specifically. Hey, some delay in your love life, I feel. We've got 3 cards for you here. First one, give your relationship a chance. If you're with someone, then you have to work on your partnership, make efforts, maybe go on a date, bring back the spark. The next step is romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So it could be the case that some of you guys might be with someone, but the spark is gone, but you still love this person, so you gotta work on the partnership. And the next is free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Again, with the world card here and the free yourself, it just resonates so much that it's time to really take back control of your life, and whatever is not really helping you out, and anything that is just not serving you, you gotta let go of that. There could be some issues in your current relationship as well, like a current period of separation for some of you guys. You know, like it could be any reason because of which you guys might have separated from each other. But yeah, that could be the case for some. So that could be a cycle that is about to get completed in your life, and you gotta give them a chance, because once you sort all of this out, so it's something you're never gonna look back at. So you're gonna just move on with this person. I feel for some of you guys, this could be the case as well. I'm gonna pull out some love messages for you guys. It doesn't have to resonate with the reading for you. It could be for a different group altogether. Let's see, what love messages do we have for Gemini? I'm struggling to find the right words to say to you. So again, this person is also wrapping up some cycles to come towards you, and they don't know what to say to you, but they're surely working on it. So that's amazing. And the last card for the messages: please don't doubt my love for you. It's the only thing I'm sure of. See, the spark is still there, the love is still there, but some issues that you guys need to work out on. Okay, so that's it for Geminis. I hope you liked the reading and it resonates with you. If it did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, God bless you all.